Now we know how to create Python script and how to execute one in terminal. Now let's create one more Python script. I'll name it as comments.py. What are comments and what are its uses? So comments are storylines that describes what this particular script does. But not just script, you can even describe what any statement within the scripts as well. So this is how we should write comment in Python. It starts with hash and it ends with this complete physical line. Now, as I'm explaining comments in this particular Python script, so this is how my comment will look like. This is comment and I'm describing what comments are in Python. So this indicates any of the user, if they open your script file and start reading it, he will understand easily what this particular script does. Now I'll save this file and I'll execute this comments.py script. Now it prints nothing and even interpreter ignores whatever the line that starts with hash as it is comments. Now I'll write print hello. I'll save it. I'll execute it. It prints only hello and it ignores the comments. Now let's try a trick here. So within the braces, I'll type hash. This is print method. Save it. Run it. Now you have an error saying unexpected end of file while parsing. Why? So here we have a parenthesis open and from the point hash and the rest of the text is considered as a comment. So the Python is considering even the closing braces as a comment. Now we will bring this to next line. We'll save it and we will run it Python and it executes. Thanks for watching.